Dr. Ken Berry is a strong advocate of the proper human diet, centering around beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. Over the last 3 years, I've been eating more bacon than ever. I typically consume 6 pounds of raw bacon a week, which yields about a pound and a half cooked, or roughly 3.5 ounces a day. Metabolically, my health indicators are exceptional. My triglyceride to HDL ratio is 0.98, and my waistline is exactly half my height. However, I recently tested my omega profile and was shocked to find my omega 6 to omega 3 ratio was 10 to 1. Since I don't eat processed foods or seed oils, I trace the issue directly back to the inexpensive bacon I was buying. Pigs fed high omega 6 diets to fatten them up past those omega 6s right onto you. My advice: if you eat a lot of bacon, invest in higher quality cuts. Before we cook, quick note on labels: no sugar. Bacon just means it wasn't cured with sugar. Almost all bacon has less than 1 gram of carbs per serving anyway. And no nitrate bacon. It is usually cured with celery salt, a natural substance that is chemically identical to standard curing nitrates. Now let's talk preparation. For years, I investigated every way to cook bacon, but I always ended up with a stove or oven covered in grease. The solution is the air fryer. It is absolutely the easiest and cleanest method. Here is exactly how I do it. I start with a 3 pound slab of thick cut bacon. I cut the slab down the middle so it easily fits into the air fryer basket. I take a pound and a half and lay it in the basket. I set the air fryer to 350 degrees for 10 minutes and push start. After the first 10 minutes, pull the tray out. The bacon will be easy to handle, so just spend a minute or two separating the pieces. Put it back in for another 10 minutes at 350 degrees. I usually go for a total of 30 minutes, mixing it up every 10 minutes. Once it's crisp, let it cool slightly, pour the grease into a container, and put the basket and grate right into the dishwasher. It's a simple, labor-free process with incredibly easy cleanup. I highly recommend the air fryer. Thanks for watching. I'll be sharing more ideas, like how I make extremely safe, low omega 6 beef jerky in future videos, so please stay tuned.